Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're putting in a fender liner in a 2014 Honda Accord. We got this one from, I believe, Amazon. It's the ones made in China. I mean Taiwan. I apologize. We let it sit in the sun for a little while so that it would have time to actually open up a little bit. And it's not hot enough today here, so it's going to be a little tight. But anyways, we're going to look at the fit. You know that we did one on the Corolla. It was pretty good fit. So what we need to do is remove that. We still need to remove the right over here because it's going to mount to this point here. So we're gonna take those off, and then we're gonna see what we need to fix, and then put in new clips where we need to, and then do whatever. And then I'm using a general clip kit, and we're going to just use the best we can and find the ones that fit the best and make it all work. But first, let's take the piece off here of this trim molding, and then we can try to get it to fit as best we can. Alright, let's go. Alright, we're putting the liner in. The fit looks okay. I think everything's going to line up. What I'm going to do is line up the best we can, and then we're going to start putting a couple clips in so we can get it into place. And then we'll go from there. But I think it's going to be okay. I think. And then I'm going to put a clip in right there. I hope you can see. And then we're going to go around the car. And like I said, I try to warm it up a little bit to get it to expand a little bit. But we'll see. We'll see how the fit is. That's got to go behind there. And then that's got to go in front of it. And then we'll see. There's a hole right there, up there, that you can see that lines up here, and then the other one should line up. So I'm going to put a clip into that one, and I'm using these so that they're removable in the future. And as long as they work, we golden. Okay. Yeah, there we go. All right, so we're going to work our way around the side. Then we're going to put that fascia cover over on this side, and then we'll see how it goes. All right, we'll bring you back in a little bit once we get a little further ahead, okay? All right, guys, that's it. We've installed it, put the little molding trim back on after I cleaned it. I did have to heat it with the heat gun to get it to stretch a little bit because it sitting outside in the sun didn't really expand as much as I like. I also had to drill a hole here to bring these together because this is a lot thinner and it's a lot pliable. So I heated the whole thing up with the heat gun to get it to sit, but everywhere else it looks like it fits very, very well. And that's it. I mean, really. And now we have a fender liner for an area that we didn't have it. So much cheaper than the factory original, but again, the fit goes along with it. So, you know, either go with the OEM or, you know, try your best. And then we use all these generic clips to hold it in place, and it looks okay. So again, thank you for subscribing, thank you for watching another video, and have a great day, guys. Take it easy.